How to make a QR code on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to make QR codes on your iPhone for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to make QR codes, we're going to be using a free website that I created called qrcodegadget.com. Now I created qrcodegadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a site that does not require you to upload files to a server. It's also very privacy oriented. So anything you make on here will be very private. So check the description. I'll have a link down there. But once you get to qrcodegadget.com, scroll down, select QR code generator. And then we have several different templates depending on what your QR code is for. So if it's for a URL or a Wi-Fi network or even email address, you could select those, or you could just select text. I'm going to do a URL. So select the text box, type the URL that you want the QR code to go to, and then just select generate QR code. From there, you'll see the QR code and you can download it as an image, PNG, or an SVG. So from here, I'm going to download it as a PNG and then select download. Then I can go to my downloads down here and select downloads. And I can see it right here where I can open it up. I can also select the little scan feature and then it will show me the QR code contents and I can open it up. So then I know it works. And if I want to save this as a photo or share it, I can select the share icon right there. And then I can save it to my images or share it in a text or on a website, anything like that. So that's how you create a QR code on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.